The production of oil and gas in the Danish sector of the North Sea began in 1972. It peaked in 2004, and since then it's been declining. The same situation presents itself in the other countries around the North Sea. The production is in decline. However, several of these countries are actually replacing their reserves. This is not the situation in Denmark. Here we produce the reserves faster than we discover new ones. Discoveries are on average getting smaller and fewer for every decade, and many of the new discoveries never go into production due to high costs and high complexity. Several of them have even been handed back to the state. The status of the Danish sector of the North Sea is that the number of wells drilled is steadily decreasing year by year. Additionally, the cost of maintenance of the existing installations is increasing as they are aging. The oil and gas industry has played an important role in the Danish energy supply and still does. Oil constitutes more than a third of the total energy consumption in Denmark, and Denmark has been able to remain self-sufficient for a quarter of a century. We can continue to be so, but only up until 2023 unless we manage to reverse the current development. The oil is also an important socio-economic factor. In 2014, for example, all the revenues from oil and gas constituted close to 3/4 of the total expenses for higher educations. When the planned oil and gas production in Denmark ceases, there will remain about 72% of the oil and gas in the reservoirs, according to analyst estimates. This means that there is still great potential in the Danish sector of the North Sea. To fulfill the full potential, massive investments are called for. It will take more research and further technological progress to be able to exploit the more marginal fields. If the Danish sector of the North Sea is to remain an attractive investment, Denmark, as the other North Sea countries, also has to offer framework conditions that incentivizes companies to invest in infrastructure and wells to be drilled. Worldwide, there are increasing demands for welfare. The world economy is estimated to nearly triple in size by 2050, and the demand for energy is growing. The Danish sector of the North Sea still contains large unexploited resources. What should be the future for the Danish North Sea?